I have a nice rhododendron, one of the least tall varieties with dark pink flowers, but nearly every year, one or more large parts of it die. Even though it's over 20 years old, it is still a small shrub. How do I keep parts of my rhododendron from dying every year? And this is Martin. So first of all, he's doing good.
20 years
20
for
years
one rhododendron. My hat's off to you because that's hard to do. And depending on where, see, we don't know where he's at.
Right.
And so what part of the country you're in. Because if you're in a mountainous area, you're probably going to have better luck with growing the rhododendrons in your native area. If it's anywhere, even around here in the Mid-South, it's very, and I see why it dies sections every year, because our soils are not the greatest for it. They like well-drained soil. Our climate here might be a little warm for them. So, I mean, for the fact that he's had it for 20 years and it's still going, that's great. He's done a very good job.
Right.
But it would be nice to know what part, where he lives, so we know what the environment is there and the zone that it is.
Right, and then those dying parts, I guess, go ahead and just prune those out.
Oh, definitely prune them off.
Yeah, it's not serving the plant any good. So
just keep it fertilized.
Keep it fertilized.
And keep it healthy, what's there healthy, and like he's done for 20 years.
Right. And just enjoy it.
I think it's great.
I think that's outstanding. Okay, Martin. Yeah, just do those things. Keep the plant as healthy as possible. And just enjoy it. Right?
Very good.
Just a good job. 20 years is good.
It's great.
Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.